In this video, I will be showing you how to make Canva images high resolution. Let's get started. First, I start on the main Canva homepage, where I can view my recent projects and design tools. I move my mouse cursor up to the top left corner of the screen and click on the purple Create a Design button. This opens up a pop-up panel featuring various preset document formats and quick action items. From the list of available choices, I select YouTube Thumbnail, which immediately opens up a completely clean, blank canvas in a new tab. Now that the editor workspace is open, I look over at the toolbar menu on the far left side of the screen and click on the Uploads tab. This displays my personal library of uploaded media files. I scroll down through my gallery of images until I locate the specific photo I want to work with today. I click on the family graduation photo, and it instantly places itself onto the center of the blank canvas. To make sure the photo fits the canvas layout properly, I click on the image to select it and grab one of the corner resizing handles. I drag it outwards smoothly to scale up the picture to a much larger size, and then I click and drag the photo to position it neatly right in the center of the workspace. Next, with the image still highlighted, I click on the Edit option located in the top control bar. This action opens up the left-hand photo editing panel, which displays tools like Background Remover, Magic Eraser, and Adjust. I take a moment to check the visual clarity, color quality, and details of the photograph on screen. I also test out the undo and redo controls on the top left bar to make sure the layout looks balanced, sharp, and properly centered. Finally, to save this image in the highest quality, I move my cursor up to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, I click on Download. Under the File Type drop-down menu, I choose PNG, as this format is specifically designed for preserving crisp details and high image clarity. After confirming the settings, I click the purple Download button at the bottom. Canva processes the high-resolution file, and it downloads straight to my device. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make Canva images high-resolution.